What's up, YouTube? This is my 2022 Firework Stash. Let's do a little bit of an overview before I talk about everything I got. A lot of 200 gram cakes. Got some canisters. Kind of got everything. But I'll start with the small stuff we got. So, of course, got to get the smoke balls. Got your tanks, parachutes. Got some of these USA smokes. Got some sparklers, ground bloom, zippers, crackling ball, you know, all your classic stuff to just mess around with. These actually last a while, these crackling barrels. They're pretty good for what you pay for them. Moving on. No, got a couple packs of firecrackers. Got your 1-inch crackers. Friendship Pagoda. Just picked one of these up. Moving on to the spinners. Got ladybugs. Those are pretty cool. It's got some 2-color spaceships. Got some 100-shot Saturn missiles. It's got normal. Got one of these red neons. And then I got one of these yellow neons. So we'll see how those go. Because never seen those color changing ones. On to the big boy. We got the Mothership Girondola. Never lit one of these off, but definitely excited for that. Then we got our Roman candles and our rockets. So we just got some of these 5-ball boom sticks from flashing. 10-shot thunder stick. Got these paparazzi from Fire Factory. Never lit those off. Got some of these Freedom rockets and Space Force rockets, both from flashing. Got 3 of these Surge missiles flashing. And then got my hands on some radioactive rockets. Got 2 packs of them out at Twisted Thunder Fireworks. Moving on to our 200 gram cakes. Got the Jack Hardcore Pyro. That one's pretty good. Got these next 2 for free. Got the Sizzler and Shenanigans, both from flashing. Got this Fight Night from Great Grizzly. Got Sith from Planet X, 16-shot. Monster Bash from Zombie brand. They're really good. Jinkies from Smoking Alien. And Lightning Shot. That's from Supreme. Got Kick-Ass Forever from Pyro Diablo. Squilly and Ghost Train from Flashing. Both of these are really good. Got the Supersonic 25-shot from Winda. Prairie Nights from Torches Fireworks, 8-shot. Got this Zomboy from Zombie brand. 2 Cherry Bombers from Winda. The red on these is really good. Got a Happy Face artillery shell just to mess around with. Then we got, you guys all know what these are, 6-inch Tiki Bombs, canister shells. Got these 5-inch Nemesis shells, which I think are a rewrap of something. I just can't think of the name. Moving on to the 500 grams. You got the Field of Noise 3-inch Noab from Golden Bear. Ape Escape and Shredder, both from Flashing. These are both really good cakes. And then finally, we got this Bad Boys assortment. Comes with 4 20-shot 500 gram cakes. Got it for $140. So we got Bad Boy Jason, Bad Boy Michael, Bad Boy Leatherface, and Bad Boy Freddy. So I'm excited to light these off, all from Zombie Brand. Saw the videos for a lot of these cakes. Gonna fuse a lot of them together, and it should be a pretty good time. But yeah, that is my 2022 firework stash. I know some of the stashes on here are a lot bigger than this, but this is the biggest one I've had. Of course, got some fuse, get everything together. Just doing a quick overview again. But yeah, hope you guys have a good 4th. Peace out.